Christmas is not a time nor a season, but a state of mind. To cherish peace and goodwill, to be plenteous in mercy, is to have the real spirit of Christmas. Hello, friends. My name is Mohini Sinha, and I am an acrylic artist based India. I mostly do landscape painting and animals and bird portrait painting. Many of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. So in this class we will be painting this beautiful Christmas vibe painting. We'll start with first the blocking of the background. Simple blocking, then comes the tree shaping, then giving textures to the tree, the snowy effect. Then comes the whole hut detailing, the whole hut blocking, how the rooftop is blended, each and everything, small details, how the highlights are made, each and everything we'll do from scratch. Very small details are these. Then comes giving effect to these lines, then the snowy effect on the rooftop to the land area, then giving textures of light and the snowy effect finally. So without wasting the time, let's start the Christmas magic.